That wasn't Jordan farting. Was it Jordan?
No, no.
We need to talk about that. Was it the chair or was it you farting?
The chair.
Right, go on. Very good, lad. Head slightly back, mate. So go slight. That's it. There. Right. So that's pretty much why we are the market leaders. Yeah, for the craftsmanship at the front for the hairline, and this is just plonked on. No, you haven't done anything, have you?
Got it.
So, a well-made system can look good uncut. A cheap, nasty hair system cannot look good uncut, and then it takes very good barbers to make it look half good or really good with the client to leave the salon. But then the client's got to look after it, and they've got no barber, so it doesn't pay to go cheap, I'm afraid. Head back, George. You stop there. Yeah. If we go in there, focus, you can see
hair out first.
yeah, but you can see Jordan's mole through the lace. Right there. Yeah, that's how good the lace is. Stop there. Stop there. Focus. That's